Here's a quick tip on how to draw dimensions. So first we're going to want to check our viewport scale. You can see in this drawing that it's a 20 viewport scale. If we're doing construction drawings, we want our LT scale to match the viewport scale, but if we're doing a preliminary drawing, we want to upsize our LT scale by 50%, and that way we can make our dimensions and multi-liters a little bit bigger. So we can see that's a viewport scale of 20. I'm going to type LT scale and set that to 30, which is 50% bigger than 20. And then I can come in here and I almost exclusively use this dimensioning tool right here, which shows the dimension at an angle. And the reason I like that one is that I can keep my ortho on and draw dimensions horizontally or vertically, or I can turn my ortho off using shift middle button and do stuff at an angle. So if I was going to dimension this drive, I would click that button, do middle button space E or middle button space R for the nearest, and then middle button space P for perpendicular, and there's that dimension. Oh, I forgot one thing. After I run LT scale, I need to run Civ dim to load my dimension style, and then pick that icon, middle button space P for perpendicular, and you can see since I made my LT scale 30, it's actually a little bit bigger. And so that makes things a little bit easier to see on preliminary drawings. Now, if I were to dimension in this area, I would want to start with this side so that I have an endpoint to snap to, and then over here I would do perpendicular so that I could get that exactly to 26. But if I was going this direction and there's nothing to snap to, one trick you can do is set your direction in the direction that you want to go, and I know that I drew this to the drive aisle to 26, so I could just simply hit 26 and hit enter. Let's try that again. Middle button 26. Why is this doing weird? I don't know. This is why. I think these lines were not at a zero elevation, so I think we were snapping to an elevation, so it was making it act a little bit funky. Let's try this again. 26, yep, there you go. So if you ever see you're drawing a certain dimension, it's not showing up that dimension, check your elevation, and it could be that the elevation was off. So I just go in the direction I want to go, type 26, space bar, and there I have a dimension in the proper direction, even though there's nothing to snap to the perpendicular of. And that's a quick tutorial on dimensions, and that's it for today.